Hello students, today we are talking about introduction to RStudio. I provided you the links for installation of R and RStudio. There was a small video how to do it. I believe you must have downloaded and installed both R and RStudio. Please remember we will be working on RStudio, but to work on RStudio, R should be mandatory there on your laptops or systems. So first you need to download RStudio, install it. First you need to download R, install it, and then download RStudio and install it. I believe you must have done that. Now let us start working in it. Go to RStudio, open it. The moment you open RStudio, this window appears divided into 4 panes like this. There are 4 parts of this window. I provided you small notes on the same. To begin with, R is a programming language, whereas RStudio is a user-friendly program that uses R language as its base. R language is CUI, computer user interface, whereas RStudio is partially CUI and partially GUI. So in that sense it is user friendly. Now the advantages are it is really easy to write scripts in RStudio, because as soon as you start typing a syntax or write something, the drop down appears and that helps you to select what you want. Then in case of RStudio, there is a global environment which helps you to locate data you have been working on, the values or variables that you have created. Then it is quite easy to access your files if you create a working directory. Working directory is nothing but a folder from where R will read and save the files, or whatever work you have done will be saved in the form of .r file. Another important advantage is RStudio makes graphics or plots very easier to access, because there is a separate tab for viewing plots. I'll show you the same. Then there are 4 panes. These 4 panes I was talking about. The left is code editor, the right next is R console, workspace and history, plots and files. This is what I am talking about. The upper left as provided here is code editor. Here everything which you have written can be saved and later on can be run and rerun. This program, what you have written, is technically called R script. So one day if you have worked and you save it as an R script, then next day you don't need to type everything and do it again. The typed matter in the form of R script will be there and you can reuse, run it again multiple times. The lower left is console. This is the place where you will write or type commands. Whatever you have typed or asked for plus the output, all will come here. The right side top is environment, or often called global environment. Together with environment there is history, wherein all past history is there. Lower right is files, plots, packages, help and viewer. Files is whatever files you are working on. Plots is if I give a command for an histogram, then I can see that histogram here in plots, and from here export I can export that histogram as an image or a PDF. Then R works on n number of packages. Whatever package you want, then you can click here and just install it. Help is help like any other software. You write the topic what you want and it gives you the whole information on the same. So these are the 4 basic panes of R. In the view, there is panes. Now I have clicked show all panes. This is by default. Console is on left. This is by default. If I click console on right, then console moves on right. So you can adjust your panes as per your wish, and you can also select which tab you want where, and you can change the settings of this window. Thank you.